Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a haul video after a really long time. Tops haul under 1000 rupees. उसमें से एक दो are slightly above 1000 but they are worth buying, which is why I wanted to share them with you. So without wasting any more time, let's get into that because I have a ton of these out here that I spent 2 hours, probably more, trying to find the best ones for you guys. So let's get into it. First up is this top from Very Lush, which is actually a shirt and I've tucked it in right now, but it's very comfortable. The fabric is very breathable and it's just for 800 rupees. I feel like it's a great holiday vacation top. You can also just open it up and wear it as a layer on top of your tank top and a pair of shorts. I've picked up mostly versatile neutral colors, so everything that I show you is going to be very versatile that you can wear with not just one pair of bottom but literally everything with you in your wardrobe. So this is a shirt that I actually really like. It also has a nice print which gives a pretty Gen Z vibe, very unlike me, but I thought this was a pretty cool shirt. Okay, this one is such a cute top. I love the floral detailing on it and it's very like easy breezy to wear. It's got these tie-up straps at the back so you can tighten it how much ever you like it. You can tuck it in or just leave it out like this. I think this will look so cute with like a nice maxi skirt, a low waist one. I don't like wearing low waist so much, but I can visualize how pretty and like very cottage girl core this is gonna look. I would highly recommend this if you're traveling for an island or like a summer vacation. This is a great top. It looks very cute. A moment for this top please. I love the neckline. I've always wanted to have a top like this but I've never until now. This is in the brand Bebe and just for 900 rupees, which is insane because this brand is supposed to be like a high-end brand, and right now on Myntra getting this for 900 from their brand is a steal deal, trust me. You can sort of style it the way you want. You can either put it up from this side and take it down from this side. It's a great transition top from summers to winters. So for 900 rupees, bag this right now. The sunlight suddenly gone really bright. This one is from the label Life. This has a zip thing at the back. It's a very sober, subtle top. I do like the fitting. It fits me really well. I feel like this would be great for office or your daily wear as well. In fact, all the tops that I'm showing you are great for everyday wear. And you can also accessorize and elevate these tops for literally all occasions. It has a peplum style with this balloon kind of a look going on, which does kind of look cute. Okay, the next one is from Fable Street. Love the quality of this one, and what I love is that it has this bra strap kind of a holder here, so your bra is never going to peep out of your shirt if that's a problem. This is a great top for office and college. This cowl neck adds that extra bit of style to it but still keeps the overall top really classy and premium and something you can wear to formal settings as well. Again, neutral color hair, it'll go with all your bottoms. I am in the size small for all your references and I'm going to list everything down in the description box as well below. And there's also a shopping tag button thingy right here, so you can directly click on that button and shop for the product as well. Okay, this one I absolutely love. The color is so good. It just makes you feel sexy. I also love the little detailing that they have over here. This is such a elevated top already that even if I wear a basic bottom like denim jeans, add a pair of heels, a pendant and a bag, I will be ready to go out and party. So if you're looking for one top that you need to pick up from this haul, I would highly recommend this to be one of them. The next one is actually the one that I'm wearing and I love this little shell detailing on it. I think these shell things have been pretty trending right now. I'm not one to fall for trends, but this actually looks really cute on this top. It does have like gaps here in the middle, so you will have to wear your bra in a way that, you know, it comes right under your second shell. So I'm really hoping I don't have any faux pas in this video. But this is very versatile because of the color. You can pair it with jeans, trousers, skirts, you know, literally all kind of colors because ये एक neutral color है. So it's pretty much gonna go with every bottom out there. We have this very cute top from H&M. This is for about 1200 rupees. I know I said everything's gonna be under 1000, but this is one of those which was slightly above. But the color is so pretty. Butter yellow has been a thing lately and this color is just, it is giving, I don't know, soft girl vibe and I absolutely love it. It fits so well. It's got this sweetheart neckline. You can wear a pendant with it. It's going to look really cute. If you're in your soft girl era, this top is going to be perfect for you. Of course, all the links will be in the description box down below and also tagged right here, so you can click on it and shop right away. This one I'm a little disappointed with because in the image the material looked a lot more stiffer than what it actually is. This is a very elasticy kind of a material which some people might like, but I was expecting it to be more stiff because I can see the creases of the tube over here, and the side actually is a zip, so you can also shut it down completely. For 800 rupees, yes, a good buy, but personally not a big fan. So if you were to buy, say, 2 or 3 out of these, I wouldn't recommend getting just this for yourself. I do, however, really like the color of this top. It's the dark purple, bangani in Hindi as you call it. I just really wish the fabric of this top was stiffer and not the way it is right now. Now this is how you make a good tube top, not the purple one that I just showed you guys earlier, but the brand is pretty much the same. This also has like a silicone lining here, so it's easier to like stay on, especially with these tube tops. I was trying to shut the zip, but it's a little tight for me, or maybe I've just gained weight, I don't know, but I do wear a small size and everything, and I know this would also fit. I'm just feeling a little bloated today, I think, but you can try sizing up just in case. I actually really like the color. Like I said, everything in this haul is versatile, neutral, so you can buy this one top but wear it in 10 different outfits easily. Oh, okay, 10 could be an exaggeration, but like 6 at least. Quality is really good. I really like the pleated detailing on this top. Honestly, nothing to complain about. And this is the last one in the haul, again from the brand Trendyol, for about 940 rupees. I have realized Trendyol has very affordable and fashionable pieces, but on Myntra it does take time to deliver because I think it's an international brand, so import वगैरह करने में time लग जाता होगा. But again, a great transition top from summers to winters, great fall and autumn kind of a top. These kind of tops, by the way, are called Bardot tops, which are not like completely off shoulder but go just above your shoulder like that. For winters, I can already imagine such cute outfits with it. I can pair brown pants, grey pants. I think this would look really nice with grey pants. Just with these blue denims also, it looks really nice. The material is slightly thicker, तो obviously आप अभी summers या किसी warm area में रह रहे हो तो नहीं पहन पाओगे. If you're going to vacation in a slightly cooler area, this could be a great buy for you. In fact, I am traveling to New York and I think I'm going to carry this with me क्योंकि वहाँ का weather, it's not hot, it's not winter, it's somewhere in the middle, so this would be great for that. So this was the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. I did film this a little differently than I usually do. This was more casual and more chill, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys liked watching something like this. All the tops will be linked down below in the description box and also on the shop products tag somewhere on the screen. Do hit that share and subscribe button and also the like button. It would mean a lot to me. There's also a hype feature now, so if you can see it, do hype me up so I can hit 500k this year. That's it for today. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.